Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to talk about the dimensions. I'm gonna steal this one from the Trimble startup page. So as you know, when you open a new Trimble Business Center, this is something called startup page, where you have the old projects, you can do open project, you can log in into your TCC, you can create a new project directly from this startup. And on the right hand side you have few notifications. And the other day, well, in September 20th, which is about a week ago, they came out with a tip for displaying alternative units. I kind of poked around and I found it's really useful. Here in Canada, everything is in metric. However, for example, building plans are in feet. So when I design a property line and I want to fit in a house, I underlay the PDF and then I want to do some measuring checks. So obviously I pull the tape, pull the dimensions in meters. However, with this alternative display, I can pull a dimension and show the feed as well. So it would really simplify the checking. I'm just gonna zoom in here and I'm gonna create a line just for this demonstration. So I'm just gonna create a layer 0 and let's go with the line. Okay, so that's it, just pure simple line. So now if I want to measure this line, right, I'm gonna click on measure and hit the 2 points, and as you guys can see, it's 11.723 meters long. Now, based on the tip from Trimble, I can go to my project settings, which is this wheel up here, project settings. Once it opens project settings, under units, I'm gonna go to distance, and down here, as you guys can see, I have to scroll or extend, I have the alternative units. So my main units are meters. My feet definition is international foot, but let me do international foot as a alternate unit. Once I hit OK, I'm gonna go to measure and I'm gonna measure the same line, which we know it's 11.73. Let me turn on the grid. 723 meters, and as you can see in the brackets I have 38.462 feet, which is incredible because, like I said, if I have a lot plan in metric and then I underlay, for example, my house, and I'm pulling a couple of dimensions just to check, I can see both of them at the same time. It speeds up, you know, no googling, no transformation. It just works like a charm. I like this idea. When you go back to project settings, the same applies to what was it, velocity. You can have alternate units. You can go to area, and let's see what else we have alternate. So we have area, we have velocity, we have distance. So but I mean, at this distance it's gonna be a lifesaver. So hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, shoot me an email. If you have any 3D modeling need, give us a shout. We can definitely help you, and see you next video.